Hello guys, welcome to another video in this course. In the previous video we discussed or I showed you guys how to use or how to handle the put and the patch requests on our Express server. So in this video we are going to move to the delete request. So the delete request or the HTTP delete method, it is self-explanatory. So we use it whenever we want to delete a resource, a file, a data, something from probably a database or on our server. So probably you want to delete an image, or you want to delete a user account or a post from a server, so you make a delete request. So we can do app.delete, create an endpoint for a delete request. So now we're going to say delete. In our case, we're going to use record. Delete record. Then let's not forget the request and also the response, and then a arrow function. Now I've been using arrow function throughout this video. It's not compulsory to use arrow functions. More like a habit for me to use arrow functions. So as you see what I did here, I used a normal function that we have in JavaScript. But either way, whichever you choose, whichever you like, whichever you used to, it's cool. Just make sure you have a function there. So we have the app.delete. I'm still going to copy everything we had from our previous routes and paste them here with the same logic. For here, we're going to have record deleted successfully. So now let's test how to delete endpoint. So we are going to switch to Thunder Client. I have it open right here. If you don't, you can check on your sidebar here, your activity bar, and create a new request or click on the ones you have had before. So right here I have mine. So I'm going to switch from patch to a delete request, and for the endpoint or for the route, it's going to be delete record instead of update record. And for the body, I'm pretty much going to leave it this way. Probably remove the membership, because if you are deleting a record, you need a primary key to identify, and I think the email is best in this case. So we can also remove the username and leave the email. So the email is a unique field that can be used to delete something. So you probably have a user ID or ID in any form, and that will also be best way or best choice of something to index or to search for the record that you're deleting. So right, we have the email as a data, and we have um, the endpoint, and we've also switched to the delete. So let's start our server and test this out. So I'm going to run npm start. Now our server is up and running, so let's make the request and test this out. Okay, cool. So we have record deleted successfully, and okay, we have um, the data that was sent. Now it's been logged to our console, so everything is working fine. So that is how we listen for and handle a delete request on our Express server. Now there's still more to handling requests. Actually, there's something we call CRUD operations. CRUD operations stands for create, read, update, and delete. And we are going to also work on a project before the end of this course that we'll be implementing the CRUD operations with Express. So you can watch out for that time, and you'll be able to learn a lot more about um, HTTP methods and handling requests on our Express server. So that's pretty much what we have for the delete requests. And like I said in the previous video, you have to handle the logic yourself. So if you want to delete something, here is the best place to do that. So you cannot add a delete logic inside patch or the put. So you have to put it here in the delete section. So that's what HTTP methods allow us to do. It allows us to know what type of request is being made and how best to handle those requests. So that's that about HTTP methods. In the next video, we'll be moving to something different entirely. In the next video, I'll be explaining what I did here. We'll be moving to middlewares. So I'll explain what middlewares are and why we need to use them in our Express code or Express server. So until then, remember to leave a like to this video if you find it helpful or useful, and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and also share this video with your friends and families. I'll see you in the next video.